This is one of Samsung's latest and greatest brand new phones, the Galaxy Z Flip5. And in this video, we're going to do a very quick unboxing and setup and check out some of the new features and benefits over last year's Flip 4. Real quick, I'd like to note something else that was also included in the package was this special gift offer to get 40% off, I guess like another Samsung device, like a TV or a pair of Galaxy Buds or a Galaxy Watch, or something like that. Here's that code if you want that. It is free, it is on me. First one to claim it gets it. Let's get in with the main attraction, the Galaxy Z Flip5. I got this one in the mint green color. And we can open that up and check out our all new Galaxy Z Flip5. So right off the bat, here it is side by side with the Flip 4. Immediately you'll notice the much bigger cover screen with the all new Flex window, which I'm really excited to explore. Something else you'll notice also is while the Flip 4's back is matte, this one's actually glossy, which interesting decision there. I would much prefer the matte back. We also notice the frame is still glossy with the armor aluminum. Now what you will notice here also is the new Flex hinge that closes the device fully flat versus the Flip 4 where you will see there is a little bit of a gap in between there. Now before we boot this guy up, I would like to talk about some of the deals and offers that are associated with this device. When Samsung initially launched this device for pre-order, which is actually still going on as of now up until August 11th, you can actually get up to $900 off this guy with a qualifying trade-in. So I'm trading in my Flip 4 and that brought this down to just $100 because this gave it $900 off. With the reservation credit, you get an extra $50 off. So I paid like $50 for this thing when I traded in my Flip 4, and this is again a $1,000 phone. So really good deals there, but if you're not into Samsung's own trade-in offers, you can also get some really amazing deals through carriers. I know AT&T has this device free with the trade-in of any Galaxy, any condition, so that's a pretty good deal as well. And there's some other ones from T-Mobile and Verizon. Let's also check out what else we get in the box, which per usual with new flagship phones is not much, but there's a little compartment up there which contains some manuals and a cable. Now let's go ahead and power up our all new Z Flip 5. Also, the crease in the display is definitely still there, and I think it is just about as bad as the Flip 4's crease. Yeah, it's actually a little bit better, but nonetheless, a noticeable crease in the display. Real quick before we set it up, let's do a quick sound test of the closing of the device of each of these. So first up, we got the 4. Now let's try the 5. That was a lot better. Something here I'm immediately noticing is right off the bat on my old Z Flip 4, you're seeing the setup screen and there's the instant wireless setup transfer. So let's try that out actually. While it spins around forever, let's just check out the design some more. So again, this is a glossy back along with the glossy frame. It actually doesn't feel as bad as I expect, and because I went with this lighter color, the mint, it's not really showing fingerprints that much. Here we go. And we're just about in. It looks like I still gotta download some of my apps, but we're basically in. It's also installed all these apps for me that they think I want to use. There's a reason I deleted them on the last one, because this is all a bunch of bloatware. First thing I do want to look at is the camera, which I think is mostly unchanged from the Flip 4. But again, you are getting those angles with the FlexCam, so you can set it down, prop it up, and put it at whatever angle you want. But now with the cover screen preview, you can actually see way bigger. There's you guys. Hi. You can see way bigger view. Now let's close the device, and I guess we go this way. Let's check out the new Flex windows. So use the fingerprint to unlock, and then you have all kinds of widgets. We got a calendar, we got weather, alarms, looks like some step counters, health. You can also add music and stuff like that. You got a whole bunch of preloaded default options. You can select whichever one you want. And then we can press and hold again and customize all the widgets that we have. We can add something else. We got, I guess, contacts, stopwatches, home control, stocks. And something else we can do is zoom in like that and get a full view of all our widgets to get to whichever one we want to quickly and easily. So this is actually really, really cool. I thought it would be more gimmicky than it is, but this is really, really useful. And I mean, for $50 when you upgrade, when you trade in the Flip 4, that's well worth it right there. So on here, you got this dinky little display. You can see stuff. You got the weather, you've got your music, whatever widgets you customize. You can press and hold down on here and see all the ones that you have and add new ones. It's a little finicky. There we go, we got the calendar. Everything is pretty small. Most people would definitely have to wear glasses to see a lot of this stuff. Just the calendar alone, the difference from this to this, pretty big difference. Also, this is just so small, but there's a different font on the lock screen. And if we press and hold here and use the fingerprint, we can actually customize the entirety of the lock screen to whatever we want. And this actually has a lot more fonts that you can customize for the clock. There's a lot more font options and clock styles on the Flip 5. And then you can customize the colors and change it up, make it however you want to. And something else I really love about Samsung phones that a lot of people are sleeping on is this app sidebar right here that you can basically customize to do whatever you want and even open up 2 apps in split screen at once. And again, just add anything that we'd want to. So let's actually go onto the Galaxy store so we can get Good Lock. So in order to run basically any app you want on the cover screen, you go into the Good Lock app and you download Multistar. And once it's done installing, then you can go into settings and add the launcher widget to your cover screen, tap on that, and then add whatever apps you want. So I'm gonna go with YouTube, let's do Chrome, and Shop Samsung. Yeah, those 3. Now, close up the phone, zoom up there, and let's watch YouTube on the cover screen. Let's watch a Stetson video.
These are the best cell phone plans for 2023.
This is such an awkward shape for the display, and like the video like has the black bars around it. What happens if we go into full screen? That's actually pretty usable. And then when you're done, you can just swipe up here and go home. Now you can run any app on the cover screen. So those are my first impressions of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Overall, a really cool phone and something you might want to consider picking up. Definitely check the links down below in the description to get the best offers. I'll even link down below that special trade-in promo. Thank you so much for watching this video. Drop a like below if you found it helpful. Subscribe to never miss the next one, and I'll see you there.